Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we'll discuss how to install WhatsApp PWA on a Chromebook. So that's been said, let's get started. Let me tell you that if you want to use WhatsApp on your Chromebook without installing Android version of WhatsApp, then you can install WhatsApp PWA. PWA stands for WhatsApp Progressive Web Application. For that, simply open your browser and visit web.whatsapp.com and you will get web interface of WhatsApp. You can simply scan the QR code from your WhatsApp application on a smartphone and you can use WhatsApp on your Chromebook without installing Android application. However, with this process, you have to repeat this step every time you want to use WhatsApp. So if you want to install Progressive Web Application for WhatsApp, then you can simply click on Install button on address bar. You will get this kind of window. Here you can simply click on Install button. If you don't get this option, then you can try out another method, that is by clicking on this three-dot icon, hover your mouse to save and share, and here click on Install WhatsApp Web. Now click on this Install button and it will install WhatsApp PWA on your Chromebook. Now you can simply pin this WhatsApp icon on your Chromebook self. For that, right click on it, here click on Pin. You can also open WhatsApp PWA from your app launcher. For that, click on app launcher icon. Here you will find WhatsApp. Simply open this and here you will find the application. Now to use this application, simply open WhatsApp on your phone, go to settings, then click on link device and scan this QR code. So that's it. This is how you can install and use WhatsApp PWA on a Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.